Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here for day 10 of Vlogtober, which means you guys have gotten to see me every day for 10 days straight. You are welcome. You're welcome. All right, so day 10, we are on week 2. Just a quick catch up for those of you who are new. I have teamed up with Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey, and we are doing a different challenge each week for the entire month of October. For the first week, our challenge was to share a motivational or inspirational quote, and this week our challenge is to drink 64 ounces of water per day. So, that being said, how are you guys doing with your challenge? Let me know down in the comments. Yesterday, y'all know, was not my best day water-wise. However, today is going much better. I am on my second cup of water here. Now, it says that this is 32 ounces, but I don't know that I necessarily get the full 32 ounces because I put ice in it and stuff. I'm not quite sure how that works, but I am on my second cup of that, so technically that's 64 ounces. I'm sure I will be drinking more. And then, what do you guys think about this? Sparkling water. Now this is Spindrift, which means it's got like the natural fruit and stuff in it, no artificial sweeteners or anything like that. This is 12 ounces. When you guys drink sparkling water, do you count that as water intake, or is that separate? Let me know down in the comments, because I know a lot of people have different views on that. I've never really counted it as my water intake, but if I did, I am pretty sure I would get a cosmic ton of water in every day, because I drink like 3 or 4 of those a day. I love them. Love them. So like I said, let me know. All right, let's get into our water facts for today. Today I thought I would share a few facts about water and weight loss. So I have my laptop here, so if y'all see me looking down, that's what I'm doing. I am on Medical News Today again. I will link that down in the description so you guys can go check it out for yourself. I haven't confirmed these facts or anything. This is just what I'm finding on their website, and I felt like they were interesting. So the first one says that water is a natural appetite suppressant, which I know WW has told us that before. I know they tell us all the time, if you're feeling hungry but you just ate, or you don't feel like it is soon enough for you to be hungry, try drinking some water to see if that helps. It says, when the stomach senses that it is full, it sends signals to the brain to stop eating. Water can help to take up space in the stomach, leading to a feeling of fullness and reducing hunger. A 2014 study, 50 overweight females drank 500 milliliters of water 30 minutes before breakfast, lunch, and dinner, in addition to their regular water consumption for 8 consecutive weeks. The participants experienced a reduction in body weight, body fat, and body mass index. They also reported appetite suppression. So that's kind of interesting. So 500 milliliters is 16.9 ounces. So drink a bottle of water before you eat and see if that helps. 30 minutes before you eat. I might try that just to see what I think. All right, water. And then fact number 2, according to Medical News Today, is that water increases calorie burning. Some research indicates that drinking water can help to burn calories. A study done in 2014, 12 people who drank 500 milliliters of cold and room temperature water experienced an increase in energy expenditure. They burned between 2 and 3% more calories than usual in the 90 minutes after drinking water. And then it says, water may also temporarily increase the body's resting energy expenditure or the number of calories burned while resting. Interesting. Then the last one that I'm going to share with you guys today is that it says water is necessary to burn fat. Without water, the body cannot properly metabolize stored fat or carbohydrates. So it says that the process of metabolizing fat is called lipolysis, lipo being fat and lysis meaning the death of or stopping. So the first step of this process is called hydrolysis, which occurs when water molecules interact with triglycerides, which are the fats, to create glycerol and fatty acids. says drinking enough water is essential for burning off fat from food and drink as well as stored fat. And then it says a mini review from 2016 found that increased water intake led to increased lipolysis. I'm sure I'm not saying that right. Lipolysis and a loss of fat in animal studies. So there you go. 3 interesting facts. Appetite suppressant burns calories and it aids with burning fat. So that's according to Medical News Today. Like I said, I think 3 times already, 2 times maybe. I'm linking that down below so you guys can go check out their website as well. Finding all kinds of interesting stuff on there. I hope you guys find some interesting tidbits there as well. What do you guys know in regards to water and weight loss? Share your knowledge with us. Let's see where we can go with this. All right, guys, I won't keep you any longer. This is, again, our day 10 check-in for Vlogtober. Real quick, before you hop off of here, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos, which helps us to grow our YouTube family. Speaking of YouTube family, guys, I did post my 800 subscriber video this afternoon, so make sure you go check that out. It is a good one. Well, I feel like it is, and I don't think you want to miss out on it. And then it looks like we are going to be having our 850 subscriber giveaway as well. We're getting really close to 850 already. That went by fast. Now, the 850 subscriber giveaway is not going to be as big as the 800 subscriber was. But when we get to that 900 subscriber count, guys, there will be another big giveaway. So keep these likes and subscribes coming. I really appreciate all your support. If you know anybody who you think might be able to handle my chaos or might enjoy my content, please feel free to share my video with them. I have also linked Suzy's Facebook page and YouTube channel down in the description, so please make sure you go show her some love, and I guarantee you will find a fantastic support group from her and also all of her subscribers and Facebook friends. All right, guys, rambling again. Thank you all so much for all of your support. I hope you have a fantastic day. Remember to drink your water, and until tomorrow, have a good night. Bye.